Hi dear friends, how are you all? Welcome to our YouTube channel HR Tutorials India. In this video, we'll be discussing an important topic that plays a crucial role in shaping your life and success. That is, how to develop strong character. Have you ever wondered what truly defines a strong character? It is more than just being honest or responsible. It is about building resilience, staying true to yourself and true to your values, and becoming the best version of yourself, even when life throws challenges on you. In this video, we will walk you through practical steps and essential traits to help you cultivate a strong character that not only inspires others but also empowers you to lead a more meaningful and fulfilling life. So, if you are ready to take your personal growth to the next level, then please stick to the video till the end. Wasting no time, let's get into the video. How to develop a strong character? For developing a strong character, one needs to grow through certain steps. Now let us understand what all the steps need to be followed for building a strong character, and we'll be learning in deep about each step in the later part of this video. Understand your core values. Identify and align your actions with your core principles such as honesty, responsibility, and fairness to guide your decisions and behaviors. Be honest and authentic. Embrace truthfulness and authenticity in all aspects of life, avoiding pretense and staying true to who you are to build trust and credibility. Take responsibility for your actions. Acknowledge both your success and failures and learn from your mistakes to build respect and accountability. Develop emotional resilience. Strengthen your ability to stay calm and positive during the adversity by focusing on solutions and using setbacks as learning opportunities. Practice self-discipline. Maintain focus on your goals, avoid distractions, and consistently work towards long-term success even when it's difficult. Cultivate empathy and kindness. Show understanding and compassion by listening to others and offering help without expecting anything in return, fostering deeper connections. Embrace lifelong learning. Stay open to new ideas. Seek continuous self-improvement and acquire new knowledge to stay adaptable and grow throughout your life. Build a positive attitude. Focus on solutions, surround yourself with positivity, and maintain an optimistic outlook to create an inspiring and approachable presence. Practice integrity in all you do. Stay true to yourself and your values and avoid compromising your principles, as integrity builds trust and respect in all your relationships. Develop patience and perseverance. Understand that success takes time. Stay committed to your goals and push through challenges with resilience to achieve long-term growth. So friends, these are the steps which need to be followed to develop a stronger character. Now let's understand each step in detail to have and develop a strong character. Understand your core values. Understanding your core values is the first and most essential step in developing a strong character. Your values serve as the foundation of who you are, guiding your directions, actions, and interactions with others. They help you stay grounded and consistent even when faced with challenges. Let's break it down. Identify what truly matters to you: honesty, empathy, responsibility, or fairness. To build a strong character, start by identifying the core values that matter most to you, like honesty, empathy, responsibility, or fairness. Reflect on the qualities you admire and principles that guide your decisions. This helps you understand your motivations and set a clear direction in life. Your beliefs and principles shape how you view the world and make decisions. Reflecting on them helps you understand why you act in certain ways and ensures your actions align with your values, fostering authenticity and personal growth. To build a strong character, consistently make decisions that reflect your values. Aligning your actions with your core principles help you build trust and integrity, creating a life that is authentic and reliable. Be honest and authentic. Being honest and authentic is crucial for developing a strong character. When you live truthfully, you not only maintain integrity but also build trust with others. Embracing your true self without hiding behind a facade helps you stay grounded and confident. Authenticity ensures that your actions align with your values, leading to more fulfilling and meaningful life. Truthfulness is the foundation of strong character. By practicing honesty in all areas of your life, whether at work, with family, or friends, you create a consistent and reliable reputation. Being truthful, even when it's difficult, shows your integrity and strengthens your sense of self. Trying to be someone you are not only leads to frustration and self doubt. Embrace your individuality and stop comparing yourself to others. Accept your true self and the qualities that make you unique allows you to live confidently and peacefully and free from the pressure to fit into societal expectations. When you are authentic, you naturally build stronger, more trusting relationships. People appreciate honesty and are more likely to open up to you when they know you are genuine. Authenticity fosters mutual respect, deepening connections and creating more meaningful bonds with others. Take responsibility for your actions. Taking responsibility for your actions is a vital part of developing a strong character. It means owning up to both your success and your mistakes without shifting the blame. Acknowledging the consequences of your actions shows maturity and helps you grow as individual. When you take responsibility, you build trust, respect, and the sense of integrity that others value. It's important to accept responsibility for both achievements and your setbacks. Celebrating your success is important, but so is acknowledging when things go wrong. Taking accountability shows that you are honest and willing to learn, which fosters personal growth and earns the respect of others. Instead of blaming external factors or others for your mistakes, focus on learning from them. Mistakes are opportunities for growth, and when you take responsibility for them, you can reflect on what went wrong and how to improve. This proactive approach helps you become more resilient and adaptable in the future. A responsible attitude not only helps you grow but also builds your credibility in the eyes of others. When people see you consistently taking ownership of your actions, they trust you more. Being responsible strengthens your reputation and makes you someone others can rely on, which is the key part of building a strong character. Develop emotional resilience. Emotional resilience is the ability to maintain calm and composure in the face of challenges. Developing this trait helps you handle stress, setbacks, and adversity with a positive mindset. By training your mind to stay strong and focused during tough times, you can bounce back from difficulties and continue moving forward, regardless the obstacles in your path. Staying calm during difficult situations is the key of emotional resilience. Practicing mindfulness, deep breathing, or simply taking a step back can help you manage stress and think clearly. By training your mind to remain composed, you reduce the chances of making impulsive decisions and increase your ability to respond effectively to challenges. Instead of fixating on problems, shift your focus on finding solutions. Dwelling on negative situations can drain your energy and prevent you from moving forward. By adopting a solution oriented mindset, you can tackle challenges with a sense of purpose and confidence, making it easier to overcome difficulties and keep progressing. Setbacks are inevitable, but they don't have to define you. Use each challenge as learning experience. Reflect on what went wrong, identify areas for improvement, and apply those lessons to future situations. By viewing setbacks as opportunities for growth, you build emotional resilience and become stronger in the face of adversity. Practice self discipline. Self discipline is essential for building a strong character. It involves sticking to your goals and commitments even when challenges arise. Practicing self discipline allows you to stay focused, overcome obstacles, and maintain consistency in your efforts, leading long term success and personal growth. Staying committed to your goals, especially when things get tough, is the key aspect of self discipline. It is easy to quit when faced with difficulties, but pushing through and staying focused on your long term objectives builds resilience and character. Consistently working towards your goals, even during tough times, strengthens your ability to persevere. Procrastination can be the major obstacle to achieving your goals. To develop self discipline, focus on the task at hand and avoid distractions. Break your tasks into smaller, manageable steps and tackle them one at a time. Maintaining focus helps you stay on track and accomplish what you set out to do. Self discipline is the key to consistency. By practicing it daily, you can create habits that support your growth and progress. Consistency leads to steady improvement, which over time results in long term success. The ability to stay disciplined ensures that you continue moving forward even when short term rewards aren't immediately visible. Cultivate empathy and kindness. Cultivating empathy and kindness is essential for building a strong character. By understanding and showing compassion for others, you foster deeper connections and create an environment of trust and mutual respect. Empathy not only helps you connect with people on a meaningful level, but also strengthens your own emotional intelligence and character. Listening with genuine interest is a fundamental part of empathy. When you take the time to truly understand others' perspectives, you show them that their feelings and thoughts matters. This deepens your relationships and helps you respond in a more thoughtful, compassionate way, strengthening your connection with those around you. Kindness is about offering support and help without expecting anything in return. Whether it's leading a hand, offering encouragement, or simply being there for someone in need, acts of kindness build a positive environment. Giving selflessly not only improves the lives of others but also enhances your own sense of fulfillment and purpose. Empathy strengthens your character by enhancing your ability to connect with others. It allows you to see the world through different lenses, fostering understanding and respect. By practicing empathy and kindness, you become more compassionate and approachable, building strong relationships that support both personal and collective growth. Embrace lifelong learning. Embracing lifelong learning is a key component of developing a strong character. It involves staying open to new ideas, continuously improving yourself, and adapting to change. Lifelong learning helps you grow intellectually and emotionally, keeping you curious and grounded, while also empowering you to reach your full potential. Being open to new ideas and feedback is essential for personal growth. By embracing different perspectives and accepting constructive criticism, you create opportunities for your self improvement. Staying open minded helps you to evolve and adapt, making you more resilient and capable of handling new challenges. Investing in learning new skills and expanding your knowledge enhances both your personal and professional life. Whether through formal education, hobbies, or self study, acquiring new knowledge enriches your experiences and prepares you for future opportunities. Constant learning keeps you relevant and helps you grow in all aspects of life. Continuous learning ensures that you remain adaptable in a constantly changing world. It helps you to stay grounded by building a solid foundation of knowledge and skills that you can rely on. Embracing learning as a lifelong journey makes you more equipped to handle uncertainty and challenges with confidence and resilience. Build a positive attitude. Building a positive attitude is a powerful way to develop strong character. It involves focusing on solutions instead of dwelling on problems and maintaining an optimistic outlook even during challenging times. A positive attitude not only improves your own well-being but also inspires and uplifts those around you, creating a more supportive and protective environment. When faced with challenges, focusing on solutions helps you stay productive and motivated. Rather than getting caught up in the problems, shift your energy towards finding ways to overcome it. Maintaining optimism during tough situations enables you to keep moving forward with confidence and resilience, reinforcing your character. The people you surrounded yourself with can significantly impact on your mindset. By choosing to spend time with positive, supportive individuals, you can create an environment that nurtures your growth. Avoiding negativity, whether it's from toxic relationships or self-doubt, help you maintain a more constructive and optimistic outlook on life. A positive attitude not only benefits you but also makes you more approachable to others. When you radiate optimism and positivity, people are drawn to you and feel comfortable around you. This inspires others to adopt a similar mindset, fostering an environment of encouragement and collaboration. Practice integrity in all you do. Practicing integrity is crucial for building a strong character. It means being truthful, ethical, and consistent in your actions regardless of external circumstances. Integrity is the foundation of trust and respect, and when you stay true to yourself, your values, and principles, you not only strengthen your own character but also earn the admiration of others. True integrity is about staying aligned with your values even when there are no one around to hold your accountability. It is doing the right thing not for recognition but because it's what you believe is right. This consistency builds trust and shows that you are dependable no matter the situation is. Integrity means refusing to take shortcuts or make compromises that go against your principles. It is tempting to choose the easy way out in certain situations, but maintaining your integrity requires making tough choices and doing the right thing, even when it is hard. Upholding your values, no matter the cost, strengthens your character in the long run. Integrity is the foundation upon which a strong character is built. When you consistently act with honesty and honor, you earn the respect of others. People value those who live by their principles, and this respect not only enhances your personal growth but also creates strong, lasting relationship with those around you. Develop patience and perseverance. Developing patience and perseverance is key to build strong character. Success and personal growth not happen overnight. They take time, effort, and consistent commitment. By learning to stay patient and persistent, even progress is slow, you develop the resilience needed to overcome challenges and achieve your long-term goals. Success is a journey, not a destination, and it requires time and patience. It is important to understand that personal growth and achievement don't happen instantly. Recognizing that progress may be gradual helps you stay grounded and focused, avoiding frustration when things don't move as quickly as would like. Recognizing that progress may be gradual helps you stay grounded and focused, avoiding frustration when things don't move as quickly as you would like to. Patience is about staying committed even when the results aren't immediately visible. Often, progress may seem slow, but persistence is the key. Continuing to put in effort, no matter how small the steps may seem, will eventually lead to success. Your unwavering commitment will ultimately pay off in the long run. Perseverance is what helps you keep going when faced with obstacles. When challenges arise, it is easy to feel discouraged, but perseverance allows you to push through adversity and learn from it. This ability to overcome hardships builds resilience and strengthens your character, preparing you for the future challenges. By following these steps, you can develop a strong character that not only inspires those around you but also leads to fulfilling and meaningful life. Building character is a continuous journey that involves self-awareness, consistent effort, and a commitment to personal growth. It is a process that requires patience and dedication, but with each step, you become more resistant, compassionate, and true to yourself. As you grow in character, you will find that your actions, relationships, and achievements align more closely with your values, bringing greater purpose and satisfaction to your life. So friends, hope you understood what is character, importance of character, and what are the steps involved in building a strong character. So friends, if you have any questions or queries related to this video, please do comment in the comment section. I'll be happy enough to answer all the queries. And if you like this video, please do subscribe and share among your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.